Kalong ke khana ka bomla ban ngej bahadu kan no kata ka jingi trelang hapreng ke UDP, ke TMC, ke Kongres, ke VPP, ke PDF bat HSPDP kinla banya teli ban Thaw ya Sorkar. Ketika sur kawan na ke jingi lang bala khot da ke UDP hayeng sa jong ba lak pen remboi wede MLA jong ka amlaram. Ha ka jingi lang ladon lang Dr. Mukul Sangma wede unong ilam jong ke TMC, uba Arden Milar Basayu moy unong ilam jong ke VPP, uba KP Pangyang jong ke HSPDP, kino ilam Kongres ki bakentup uba Roni V Lengdo wede MLA ka Melim, Dr. Celestine Lengdo jong kom Seng, bat kiwe-kiwe unong ilam jong ke parti. Ha ka jingi lang balalong kilashim ban yo shwa ki jingken katno ki don ban yo kam ban Thaw ya Sorkar bat kinsle yi kendupan yolat jong ajela yatu uba medba Lengdo. Kalbam la ban yo jingken om la ban ong henry ban sim ke dan noilam kende nak UDP yatu uba met paleng do kita ki noilam kila kam ma ki dan hadu lai po wengut kentup ye ki Malaysia met yatu uba met paleng do ha ba yo ban ye kran pat baruba Roni V leng do ulong magane ke jinglang bala khot dak UDP kalong pa biang bha ban Thaw ya Sorkar klaim ke BJP bat ke NPP yatu uba Roni V leng do ban rai om la ban shong jinglang biang henry nagaliang jong Kongres kan shong pat ha CLP yatu uba Roni V Lengdo nagaliang jong Dr. Mukul Sangma pan ulo persngo bagane ke jinglang kalong babiang ban sim ye karai ban kencap no ye BJP bat ke NPP bat ha ban perkhat ye jing penne ye kejat ban Riewlum Meghalaya bat jenrat i kam pamsap pampong hajela ong Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Things will be further discussed, okay, and when we submit our claim subsequent to that you will understand that okay, all these other events will unfold. Okay, you see, whatever demand or whatever issues, whatever priorities, whatever concerns, whatever conditions, it's an internal exercise. There is no such saying that okay, Khasi or Garo chief minister can be from Khasi. What is the problem there? You know, there is no problem. We have had Bibi Lingdo, let Bibi Lingdo. We have had let Ikem along, we had let Captain Sama. Everybody, you know, the people of these 3 hills must come together. I disagree. I differ from that kind of brother. I shouldn't have commented on that because I do not want to engage in this kind of deliberations and discussion because our deliberation discussion didn't revolve around that part of perspective. You know, it's true. But then nevertheless, what is the the issue that should supersede everything else? What's the priority which should supersede everything else? The priority is nothing but the larger interests of the people and protecting the interests of the state. Okay, that must supersede everything else. That's why we are meeting. Numbers can be claim and counterclaim. Okay. So now what's happening, you have to go to the backdoor channel and see what's happening everywhere, in every camp. And I think you are aware of that.
Have you decided the name of the alliance?
Name of the alliance is yet to be decided upon, but at least the resolve to come together has already been finalized.
Regarding that, because it is too early to to say, after the party has the opportunity to sit and to discuss about this matter, then we can say later on. But now we have no say at all. What action can be taken against them?
The outcome of the meeting is, we're still discussing. We're yet to come to a conclusion because this is the first meeting we've had. So maybe we'll have more meetings later on.
But Governor, formula that you have discussed.
Formula is simple formula. All the parties have come together to work together and ensure that we have a government that serves the people, a government that is, responsible with all its responsibilities to serve the people. So
one thing is that, in fact, Governor has already invited NPP to form the government. How will it that happen?
Being the single largest party, that is the the responsibility of the governor to invite. But then I think just inviting is not the end of the the process. They have to prove their majority. So let's see.
So do you have the numbers for now? For now, do you have the numbers?
Yes, you have the numbers.
The name of this alliance.
We will let you know very soon.
But you have the numbers for now, sir?
Yes, we have.
No, we were told that HSPDP MLAs are not here. How far that is true?
No.
So do you have the numbers with you?
Yes, we have the numbers.
So when will you stake claim, sir?
Before the expiry of this term of this house.
No.
What do you mean no?
Today or tomorrow?
Baroni, you
or
have
this
not
evening?
answered to my question whether the HSPDP MLAs are also here, part of this alliance of.
Yes, they are very much part of this alliance.